This is the vending machine at the Brevard Zoo in Melbourne, Florida. And we're in,
Giraffe feeding area.
and we're at the giraffe feeding area. And this is not. This is in a different area, as you can tell. And this is the vending machine. And we're gonna hopefully.
You want me to hold the camera?
Yeah, you film me.
Okay.
It's recording the sound, right?
Yes.
All right. Let's just.
Okay. One coin at a time. Wait till it clinks down.
Hopefully it doesn't eat up the quarters like the last.
Yeah, go slowly. One. Wait
Wait.
until it clinks. Okay, it clinks. Now do the other one. That's two.
The number went up.
Three. Four. Five.
Five's done. Grab another one.
Six.
More.
Yep.
And we got this one.
Seven. Oh, no. Six. Didn't take seven. Try it again.
That's tricky.
Seven. Eight. And Pepsi's down there.
It took it. It's working. Is it gonna drop out soon?
There it is.
There. Well, we finally found a working vending machine. Unlike the other one, it actually gave me a soda. So, that's it. Alright. That's it and goodbye. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. And that's it and goodbye. And bye. Bye.